And we got a lot of moisture with this thing. So the more rain you get out of the system, the less you're going to get that ice and the less you're going to get the snow. I will tell you, though, once you get outside of 495 to the north and west, we're getting reports of kind of sleet covering things, and it could be a little slippery tomorrow morning. Just to give you a heads up, though, that this is the one cold day coming in for tomorrow. After that, we warm it up above average and then get way above average as we head toward next week. But we have to deal with this tonight. Tonight, we've got the steadiest between about midnight and 6 a.m., but it'll be tapering off by about 9 a.m. It's an alert because of the fact that we've got these slippery roads coming in tomorrow morning. That sleet and snow are going to happen farther to the north. As farther south you go, it's more of a rain mixture with some snowflakes mixing in with it. But there you can see now the cold air has moved in. So this is snow up here, and this is kind of basically sleet is what it's looking like right now. Remember, sleet doesn't pile up as much as snow, but it makes everything just as slippery. And we're just starting to see it really kind of right along the 495, out to the Route 2 corridor. And then once you go south of there, it's warm enough by only a couple of degrees that it's falling as rain right now. Fairly light, steady rain that we're talking about, but some heavier rain just west of Providence right now. So that trend will kind of keep bringing that colder area in. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll keep bringing it south just a little bit more as we head towards 7. That's why I say that morning commute, especially off to the north and west, and that's why you're seeing so many school cancellations and delays, because that's where the worst of it will be. Down to the south, it's more kind of a cold rain. And it will be a cold day tomorrow, cold and gray day out there. Might even be some spotty drizzle during the day, but the bulk of the moisture is over with by about 9 o'clock in the morning. This is the other thing I'm watching. Really, as you look out through Worcester County with some elevation, we've got some rain going out there, pockets of cold air. The ice might get as much as a quarter of an inch thick. Now, that's not enough to bring down power lines or trees, but it is enough to make things very slippery out there, and there could be just a spotty power outage here or there. So the heaviest snow is going to be to the north. I think right along the Mass Pike, it's about 1 to 3, and a coating to an inch at best down to the south. It tapers off really quickly once you get into that rain. So tonight, it's that icy mix out there with rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Lows tonight, 26 to 34 degrees. Obviously, coldest to the north, where we have a better chance at snow. And then tomorrow morning, it's that snow and freezing rain out there. Eventually, it turns into just a cloudy, cold day. Temperatures only into the 30s. But as I showed you, we are going to be warming up. So once this system goes by, we get into some milder air. A heads up that we do have this front coming through late Saturday night into early Sunday. As it comes through, there might be a few rain showers out of it. And then behind it, we get even warmer. We'll clear the skies out, we'll get some sunshine in here, and we'll really begin to warm things up. So looking very nice with temperatures heading for 60. And in case you're wondering, the last time we hit 60s, you have to go back to the end of November. November 26th, when we hit a high of 63 degrees. All right, here's the way it looks then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, we're calling it alert day because of that morning ice and snow out there. High temperatures during the afternoon, about 36 degrees. Your Saturday has a lot of clouds with it, but it's warmer and it's above average for this time of year, 46. On Sunday, there could be that early morning rain showers coming through, but then we'll warm it up to about 54 degrees and some sunshine in the afternoon. And more sunshine for your Monday and Tuesday. Highs will be into the 60s. One thing I will be watching next week, you know how you can get those backdoor cold fronts this time of year? We'll just keep an eye on that because right at the coast, it might actually be cooler. But for right now, we'll hold the 60, 64 degrees. And then a chance of some rain showers toward the middle part of the week. Looking more like spring rain showers the middle of the week.
Hey,